My name is Reverend Seth Aggor from Ghana, West Africa. I had a fracture over 40 years ago, and currently the situation deteriorated and became very painful. So this hospital was recommended to me, that is Yashoda Hospital, by the head of Prime Care Medical Center, Accra, Ghana, in the presence of Dr. Ayisi. So they picked me from the airport. They were very nice and friendly people. They brought me here. Their staffs were very professional. A number of tests were run, and later the surgery was conducted. It was a total hip replacement, and it was successful. And I want to say thank you to the lovely staff of Yashoda, and then also especially Dr. Kirthi and Mr. Ashokuma, and then also Dr. Satyakuma. They were very lovely people, coordinating me, visiting me here and there, encouraging me at every time. I've spent 14 days so far. Within the 14 days, the procedure was carried out. The nurses and the physiotherapists, they were very professional. They were on time at every time. Called them anything, we just need to press the bell. They'll be present to offer any assistance you needed. And now I want to say they are very wonderful people. It's interesting, the food in India is quite different from the food we have in West Africa. And therefore, before I came here, many people told me that it would be difficult to eat the food over here. But interestingly, the hospital identify international patients, and therefore the food is prepared to their taste, and the spices level is reduced, which make it quite comfortable for us to use. So I will say that the food was good. The hospital infrastructure is one of the best I've ever seen. It's one of the best. Talk about the doctors, talk about the building itself, the neatness of the environment, how professional the people are. There are certain tests that when you run, it takes a number of days to get the result. I thought it was just in my part of the world. I have a friend I met over here from UK who also said that even there, it takes sometimes about 2 weeks. But he ran the test here, it was within 3 days, the results were out. So these are some things that are so special about this hospital. The staffs are so wonderful. I want to say this is one of the best hospitals in the world, and I want to encourage anyone who have this kind of challenge, come here. They'll take a very good care of you, and you will be well. Thank you.